Hello everyone, welcome to RobotLab1 Power Up and Jog the Robot in Join. In this video, we'll focus on the first part of this lab, configure the Handling Pro work cell. Basically, I prepare a base file for your labs. So this file is posted on the FOL website, so you can download, and all your labs based on this file. You work with the configuration for the first time. So let's look at it. We need to go on the FOL website. So once you're on the FOL website, you will see a like a zip file underneath the Robot Labs module. So if you click the arrow, select download, and then you can directly open it. So that will download the zip file and open it up. Okay, so as you can see over here, this file is open. Within this zip file, there's a folder called R2K version 3. So this is a folder. So you can just drag this folder and drop it on the desktop. So it's going to take a while to download, to unzip all the files. So we'll just wait. Okay, so you can see this folder is created on the desktop. So we can close this window now, and that's the first step from the lab handout, right? And from 1.2, you need to start the software. It's called Handling Pro, right? So if you click the start menu on the Windows, and there's a search box. You can type in handling, so you don't even need to finish, so you can see it's in there, right? Handling Pro. You can click to open the software. One thing I want to talk about is this is on my laptop, but the software installed on the lab computers has some problem. The first time when you start the software, you might have a error message pop up. I talk about this on the lab procedure, right? So let's open here. So when you get an error message pop up window, you don't want to do anything on that. So that means you don't want to click OK, you don't want to close the window, you just leave it open. And then you come back over here and restart the software again, right? So that's the little bit of technical problem within the B1024 lab computer. But this is, again, this is on my laptop. My software is running okay, right? So this is 1.2, and you can see my software already start. So you can see on here it's already start, and then we can open the file we just download from the FOL, right? So we go to File menu and click Open Cell. Because we download on the desktop, so we go in here, click Desktop, and you can see there's a folder called R2K version 3. You open the folder, you will see an icon. So this is the starting file for this robot cell. So you can just double click, you click open. So the one way to, I just show you start from the start menu. You type in the program name, you can start it. There are also other ways you can start a software. You can go to the all program, and then you go to the Fanuc Robotics. You can find the software. You can click on it to start it. Or if you go to if you open the desktop, you will see an icon over here, Handling Pro. If you have an icon on the desktop, you can also start the software from there, right? So your software gonna take a while to start it. You can see over here, it go to the cold start, and we'll just wait for the software to open up the base file. Okay, so Handling Pro is running, and we already opened the base file. So we don't have to have this cell browser open all the time, so we can close all the unnecessary window. If you want, you can have this window half of the screen by doing this. All right, and let me open the lab handout on here. Okay, so over here, confirm all the pop-up message. Once Handling Pro opens the work cell, configure the following settings. So click View on the menu and select Program Details. So if you click View over here, and there's option called Program Details, and you should check off all the check marks. I already did that. You can see over here, nothing is being selected. The second step, you click Robot on the menu and select Robot. So over here, we will go to Robot and select this Robot property. Uncheck the Teach to Visible option. So this visible option should be checked off. And then click Apply. OK. And also we need to click Tools on the menu and select Options. So if we go to over here, Tools and Options, yeah, I already unchecked it, so it's OK. So we can click OK and finish all the settings over here. So the above steps will help all the lab procedures. You need to set it up again if you switch to different computers. So that means if you can keep using the same computer and just work on the all the labs. So if possible, that will help you. You don't need to set up all this again, right? And if you have to switch to different computer, you'll have to repeat 1.3 to finish all these settings, right? And the other thing is like, don't use the save as, right? If right now, like I mentioned, right now in the lab, the computer has some problem with this software. So if you use this save as option, that can cause problem, right? So all you need to do is to keep saving. So over here, you can go into here, keep saving everything you did in the lab. And when you need backup, so you just need to go back to your desktop. You will see here the folder. So you need to copy this whole folder into your USB, and then you have a backup file, right? And like I mentioned, if you have to switch to different computer, you have your backup file, this folder in your USB, but the software cannot open the file directly from your USB. So you have to copy this folder from your USB back to the computer desktop or C drive, whatever you want to save to, then you open it from there.